So my first rule of thumb when doing any kind of motorcycle maintenance is make sure you have some cold snacks handy. That'll help with the process. It speeds it up and makes it more enjoyable. Second rule of thumb, if you're putting on side covers like this, engine side covers, make yourself a cardboard template and lay out your bolts or your screws and put them in order so you don't have any trouble knowing what goes where. Makes for simple. Now I'm putting these side covers on without a gasket for now because I'm pulling the motor out and there's some areas that I have trouble reaching, like in here. I want to make sure that this gasket surface is absolutely pristine. So we'll be doing that. So let's put this sucker on here, eh? That's a Minnesota thing, eh? Yep. I'm putting new oil seals on here too, so let's get this on here. Just slip her on there. Come on, baby. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. There we go. Now we'll fast forward through the bolt securing process. Shoulder bolt. Shoulder bolt. I'm only going finger tight with these. And it's kind of important that every 3 bolts you put in, grab yourself a cold snack and give her a little chug. More bolts. Dang, I almost forgot. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, cold snack. Uh-oh. Cold snack. Let's flip this bike over and get the other side cover on. Yes, sir. One reason why I'm laying this down like this is on this side there's the starter gear, and I want to make sure I get that sucker in the right position. And I believe it looks like, so I got to put the little shaft in first. It falls out otherwise. So how does this go on there? Does that even, what the heck is all that about? Is this supposed to go on the other side? No. That's not fitting in there. Where the heck does this go? I better investigate. I think the problem was that I forgot to grab a cold snack. So let's do that quick. Grab a cold snack and put her up on the old table saw. So my error on the TW was I put this shaft in first. You've got to put the gear in first. Carefully. It looks like it's going to mesh up, I believe. That's a little tricky, isn't it? There we go. There she goes, right there. I believe this goes here. I know that goes there. It's a no-brainer. That's not going in the hole like it should. Huh. Should be right. Let's try it this way. There we go. And the spacer, I believe, and we'll put on the side cover. It's hanging up on something. Not quite sure what. Let's pull her off and investigate. Go in that hole. Dowel pins. Oh, I gotta get my dowel pins. So I got the starter gear in and the shaft. I need to get my dowel pins off my card. Might be a snug fit. I'm going to check that for clean first. I did measure these spacers. I was watching one video where I think it was T-Dub's kid. He thought these spacers were different lengths. They are not. I measured them with the caliper. They're the exact same length, so placement does not matter. Get them in there. One hole might be deeper than the other, but that's about it. Okay, let's get this on here. Not sure how that comes out. Right there, probably. Not sure. I have to be careful here with them wires. I can't imagine them coming up that way. They'll go right there. Right there. Ah, I see my problem. Bye. This magnet on the stator is going to fight you a bit. Something else is fighting me too. I don't know what. It's off quite a bit for some reason. Not sure what's going on here. This is my first time putting this cover on, so forgive me. There we go. It's on there. Okay. Bolts. Got one. and 10. Cold snack. .5mm Allen key. There you are. So I'm just going really loose. I'm going to do this center one first. Just a little bit loosey-goosey. It's enough to pull it down. That's about it. That's it. Side cover's on. Let's stand her back up. Well, after all that hard work, I think I'm due for a cold snack. Oopsie. Well, that's about it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Next job is to pull the exhaust off, pull the air box off, pull the carburetor off, pull the motor out. Adios.